Welcome to a PortBin Tide tutorial. There are two versions of the PortBin Tide, the shallow with a 90 cm depth and the standard with a 120 cm depth. In the Tide series you will also find the XL. We will not cover the XL here. With all PortBins comes a toolbox. Read the manual thoroughly. The toolbox contains some spare parts and the necessary essential hand tools. Let's get it into the water. We have identified a debris bay where the trash often ends up. Start with a weight and place it below lowest tide. Then, introduce the PortBin itself to the water, either with a crane like here or with a couple of people. The weight is approximately 80 kilos, so it's still very handleable without a crane, if so desired. Ready for getting it into position. Clip the carabiner into the rope for the weight and secure the rope from a handle to the pier. Ready for dropping in the bucket. And start up. Beware no one stumbling in the cord. And then 24/7 work hours for the environment.